filter muddy river water in a home filtration system and drink it straight? According to Korean water specialist Dr. Walter Kim, yes. Dr. Kim has invented a filtration system which uses 4 layers of materials like a microsponge, activated carbon with silver, copper and ceramic stones to turn any liquid into water. He started researching this filtration system in 1984 and succeeded with his prototype in 1992. So we're now at the Singapore River, and Dr. Kim is going to show me how he's going to take water, which as you can see is pretty, well, not clean.
River water, as you see, it's already contaminated, okay? That's why I'll pour the water to the Aqua Pour system.
Go in here. Now you can see that like, the water is completely brown and yellow and mucky and typical Singapore river water. So let's see. So far so good, until Dr. Kim added more dirt into the mixture. The result was water that he gamely drank. But would Singaporeans dare to try it? And what did it taste like?
You sure it's filtered?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
filtered. Does it smell different?
It smells not like the Singapore River.
Color-wise?
Seems normal. But it definitely tastes unlike the river I would expect a river to taste.
So what does it taste like? Does it...
Water, plain water. It's just like water.
What kind of water? Does it like smell of anything?
No.
Taste plain?
Yeah, just plain water.
It doesn't smell like river water.
Okay.
Yeah, it's as clear as anything. Yeah,
Okay.
not like the sea water
That
like
they
what
put
I
in?
saw just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dr. Kim said that his motivation for creating this portable filtration system was to enable people all over the world, especially those living in less developed countries, to have access to drinkable water.
Try. After get this research, it was a shock for me because drinking or contaminated with some heavy metals is a big problem. That's why I make my decision. Okay, let's doing research. How can we filter for safe and clean and good water? That's why I changed my mind to mechanical engineering, to chemical engineering, and finally I becomes water specialist. I want to dedicate to such kinds of country, for example, through the UN, okay, UNDP, and there are good programs because this Aqua Pour system, as I told you, no need any piping and electricity power, can pack closely to small size, can carry wherever, okay? Just assemble and pour the water, can filter, can make drinkable water.
When asked whether or not his invention could help contain the oil spill off the Gulf of Mexico, Dr. Kim said no. Looks like that problem is way too big for any one solution. While Dr. Kim's invention might not be able to clean up oil slicks, it can still transform many liquids into potable water. Dr. Kim also tried out ink with water, and finally, wine. Doesn't smell of wine at all.
Yeah, you taste a little bit.
This tastes like normal water. The water put through Dr. Kim's filter was tasteless and odorless, but the verdict is still out on how safe consuming such filtered water is in the long run.